Now, I think they're showing off for you.
I think so too. I really do think they know there's a camera there, and I think they're showing off for it. Since they're staying a lot stiller than they normally would.
3 over there and 1 over here.
What a bunch of hams.
They've done 3 more.
You just know you're pretty, don't you? And there's that wasp going, nobody wants to take a picture of me.
This is mine.
Is that a mud dauber?
No. But you know, a wasp will land on there to drink, and the hummingbirds won't come to it because they don't want to get stung.
Well, yeah.
How many do we have here?
Oh my, there's what? 2.
Well, you can't count them.
Yes. Well, I can see
I'm gonna say
6.
6, but
I think there are more.
I think so too. Seems like a lot of flutter for just 6.
Maybe the ones in the front and side came to check them out. See if they were getting more than they were.
Good grief.